back to my channel. My name is Asha Nicole. Today, bestie, we have a lot to do today. Like, we got a lot of errands to run. First things first, we gotta go to the bank, deposit some money so we can, do a little shopping. And then, ooh, that was dirty. I ain't even gonna show y'all. And I just got out the shower. Like, it should not be that dirty. Okay. Woo! Let me do one more time. Okay. So, after we go to the ATM, we'll do go get a smoothie. We probably, just do a little shopping. I just wanted to address y'all before, we get moving about our day. Just the finished results. I wanted to, put on some hoops, but these are the ones I grabbed first. I did my hair real cute, got on my little outfits, and now we're ready to go.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor on a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson.
I don't know. My smoothie don't really taste like none today. Ain't that right? I'm about to go take him home because I can't do what I gotta do and he's with me. So I'm gonna go take him home and then I'm going to go I'm gonna do my hygiene shopping. I mean, it's still good, but it's just like, I guess it's like watery or something, or it don't have as much flavor as it normally do. Okay, so now we're on to skincare. So we're gonna use Clean and Clear Noxzema pad, facial rounds. I'm probably gonna go with these right here, makeup remover exfoliating rounds. That's what we have so far. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick haul on what I got. Y'all know I got the rounds for when I clean my face off. Got these anti-blemish pads because I've seen this MUA doing somebody's makeup and she always uses these pads before she does makeup. Ooh, they're really strong. So I want to try them out. Anti-blemish pads, clears and prevents breakouts. So we're gonna try that. I got my favorite soap. And then I got this mouthwash. It's supposed to be like for sensitive teeth and gums. So I'm gonna try this out. It's called Natural Dentist Healthy Gums. No alcohol or artificial flavors or colors. It's got aloe vera gel in it. So it's supposed to be like all natural mouthwash. Plackers for flossing. That's like my teeth care. Got some more skincare stuff. I got some Clean and Clear foaming facial cleanser. You can use this in the morning or at night. And then I have Degree spray. I switched from Dove to Degree just to see like which one is better. Let me see. That smells really good. This is the Sexy Entourage. But yes, that's all I got for my hygiene shopping. That's all I really needed.
OG Bobby Josh. OG Bobby Josh. Nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweet as a pound cake. So your chin better watch what your mouth say. Nigga with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean.
I hope you enjoyed this vlog, bestie. And until next time, thanks for coming over, mi casa, su casa. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the out of here. Love you. See you later.
Bobby Josh. OG Bobby Josh. OG Bobby Josh.